Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure your PC meets Fortnite minimums and you have at least 20 GB free. Update your GPU drivers and the OS because outdated drivers cause crashes during rendering and memory management. Once done, open the Epic Games launcher and verify the game files to repair corrupt assets. This fixes missing or mismatched files that trigger startup faults. If you use overlays, disable them now because they can conflict with rendering hooks and cause immediate crashes. Next, you dive into detailed adjustments. Lower Fortnite graphics like shadows and effects to reduce GPU strain, which prevents crashes caused by thermal or VRAM spikes. Make sure your power plan is high performance so the CPU/GPU won't downclock during matches. Close background apps that use heavy CPU, GPU, or I/O. Then tweak virtual memory to around 1.5 to 2 times your RAM size to avoid out-of-memory crashes. And reinstall DirectX or Finally, run Fortnite as administrator and disable full-screen optimizations to eliminate permission and compositing conflicts that cause crashes. If problems continue after all tweaks, reinstall the game but first back up your keybinds and config files so you don't lose settings. If a reinstall still fails, collect crash logs and a DXDiag report. You will need those when contacting Epic support. This helps them pinpoint driver, hardware, or software conflicts quickly and increases the chance of a fast resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.